Hello everyone, welcome again to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to create and remove comment in Microsoft Word. The Create Comment function in Microsoft Word is to add notes, input, or questions to the text without changing its content, thus facilitating collaboration and revision within the team. And Remove Comment is used to delete unnecessary comments, usually when the revision is complete or the document is ready to be finalized. Both of these features help clarify communication and improve documents. So how to create and remove comment in Microsoft Word? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, how to add a comment to MS Word. Tap the Insert menu. Then, block the text that will be commented on. And then tap the comment icon that is right next to what I show. Then it will appear like on the right side. Enter the comment you want. For example, I entered, "not detailed enough." Second, how to delete the comment that was created earlier. Point the cursor to the comment. Then right-click on your mouse. Tap Delete Comment. And the comment will disappear. So that's how to add and delete comments in MS Word. Okay. So that's the tutorial for highlighting text in Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.